the secret superhero inside your skin, your integumentary system. Sunburn, goosebumps, blushing, bruises, that weird callus on your finger. Ever stop to think what is actually taking the hit? What's shielding you, sensing the world, and screaming, "I'm alive," without a word? It's not just skin. It's your integumentary system, and it's the most underrated superhero you've never heard of. Strap in. Forget lungs or liver for a sec. This is your body's largest organ. Yeah, skin is an organ. Think of it less like wrapping paper and more like a living, breathing, multitasking fortress. It's not just a barrier, it's a dynamic frontier. And today, we're diving deep into its incredible superpowers. Keep the bad guys out. Your outermost layer? It's made of dead, flattened cells packed with keratin, basically biological armor plating. And beneath that, immune sentinels, special cells patrol 24/7, sounding the alarm at the first sign of trouble. It's your body's first and most crucial line of defense. Keep everything just right. Imagine you're baking the perfect cake inside your body. That's homeostasis. Your skin is master chef. Too hot, sweat glands kick in. Sweat evaporates, pulling heat off your blood vessels like radiator coolant. Visual, goosebumps on arm. Too cold, tiny muscles pull hairs upright. Goosebumps, trapping warm air. Blood vessels constrict to save heat. It also locks in moisture, preventing you from drying out like a raisin. It's constantly fine-tuning your internal world. Be the world's best messenger. Your skin is absolutely crammed with nerve endings. Millions. Feeling a lover's touch? A cat's purr? The warning sting of a hot pan? The softness of a blanket? All thanks to this incredible sensory network. It's your direct, high-definition connection to the physical world. Without it, we'd be numb, disconnected shells. The chemical factory and communicator. When sunlight hits your skin, boom, you make vitamin D essential for strong bones and your immune system. Free health supplement. Sebaceous glands produce oil, sebum. Keeps skin waterproof, flexible, and fights some bacteria, though sometimes. Hello acne volcanoes. And it's a billboard, flushing red? You're embarrassed. Pale. You're scared. Sweating buckets? You're nervous. Your skin broadcasts your inner state loud and clear. Even superheroes have vulnerabilities. Time, sun damage, injuries, they leave their marks. Collagen fades. Elasticity lessens. But every scar, every freckle, every wrinkle tells the story of the battles this incredible system has fought for you. Respect your integumentary system. Protect it from harsh sun. Keep it hydrated. Treat it gently. It works tirelessly, silently, every single second of your life. So, the next time you look in the mirror, or feel a breeze, or hug someone, remember, you're not just looking at skin. You're witnessing a masterpiece of biological engineering, a dynamic, living tapestry that shields you, senses the universe, speaks volumes, and keeps the delicate flame of you burning perfectly. That's not just skin, that's your frontier. That's your integumentary system, and it's utterly amazing. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if you learned something new, subscribe for more deep dives into your incredible body, and let me know in the comments, what's your skin's greatest superpower moment?